and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Kaylee's bacon and cheese toast from the Firefly Cookbook. The ingredients are very simple. All you're going to need are 4 slices of browned bacon, 2 slices of a lightly toasted bread, and this can be a bread of your choice. I'm choosing to use an Italian loaf that I've sliced. 4 ounces of shredded cheese, and this again is entirely your choice. Today I'm going to be using pepper jack cheese. You're going to need a half of a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons of milk, as well as some salt and pepper. And that is it. So let's go ahead and bring our bowl in and start mixing these ingredients together. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the egg and the milk. I'm going to go ahead and start whisking this together. Next I'm going to add in my half a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm also going to add in a pinch of salt and a little bit of black pepper. I don't want to add too much. And then I'm just going to whisk this until it is thoroughly combined. While I'm doing this, I would like to remind you of the Gamers and Geeks playlist that JP Death and I have going on our channels. It is a community-driven playlist made up of you, our friends and YouTube family. If you would like to be a part of it, it's really easy. All you have to do is go out and make a cooking video and then post it to your channel. And once you've done that, let either JPIC or I know, either in the comments section of our latest cooking videos, or if you're a part of our Discord servers, you can let us know over there as well. The only thing we do ask, guys, is that you do mention the Gamers and Geeks playlist somewhere in your video, as well as leaving a link down in the description, just so that we can continue to support all the fine folks that have already contributed to the list. Alright guys, so now all I'm going to do is add in my cheese and give this a stir. And you do want to make sure you beat your eggs and the baking powder really well. You don't want any lumps with that. And that looks pretty good. So the next thing I'm going to do is bring in my pan. Move some of this out of my way. And I'm just going to place my 2 pieces of bread down, as well as 2 pieces, I think, of bacon on each piece here. Alright, there we go. I kind of like how that looks. And then I'm simply going to grab a spoon here, and we're going to start spooning it over the top of our bacon and toast. So you want to make sure you evenly spread this out. And then whatever egg mixture is left in the bowl, I'll just pour evenly over the top. Alright guys, this is what it's going to look like once it's assembled. Now I'm simply going to slide this into my oven and broil it for about 5 minutes, or until it turns a nice, lovely brown color and it starts to puff up. So I will see you once this is finished. Alright guys, our bacon and cheese toast is out of the broiler, and it looks pretty good. I'm surprised it got as puffy as it did, although I'm sure that is all due to the baking powder that we added. So let's go ahead and get in here, give it a taste, see what we think about it. Now, just by looking at it, I think I should have used a little bit of a thinner piece of bread. So the next time I make it, I will definitely be trimming down the slice of bread. I think I went a little bit too large on that. It does smell really good. So here we go. Let's see what we think about it. I actually like this quite a lot, guys. This is really good. The cheese got kind of crispy on the edges, so it gives it a really good flavor. I like the little bit of heat that I get from the pepper jack cheese. The egg is completely cooked. I'm very pleased with this one. Alright guys, like I said, I will definitely use a thinner slice of bread the next time I make this, but I definitely will be making this again. This comes together so quickly. It could easily be made on a weekday or as a special treat on the weekend for breakfast. Alright guys, that's going to be it for me for today. If you guys like this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys try this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. Remember to check out the Gamers and Geeks playlist, and as always, Thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.